Yo, what's up y'all? Welcome back to another daily upload. For today's video, it kind of serves no specific purpose because I don't know what all I'm gonna do today. This is what happens when you daily upload. Like, you don't have a set video topic in hand. But I got a couple errands to run today. I gotta run to the post office, mail off this to the homie Junior. And I also got a package from Dumb Smart New York. It's a I guess like a lifestyle clothing company brand. They reached out to me and I was like, yo, I'm down. So I got some stuff in here to open up with you guys and show you guys what I got. And I can't believe I didn't open up this video not walking into the garage. Now, if you guys seen yesterday's video where the Ruckus was having a horrible time to start, I was talking to Ryan about it, and I do have to clean the jets. Somebody left a comment saying, yo, you gotta clean the jets, and then I was talking to Ryan about it, and that's what I gotta do. So, I'm not trying to make this a Ruckus-filled video again, because I know you guys want to see some more stuff on the Integra, and I guess I'll, like, for the rest of this video, once I get everything squared away, I'll close off this video, driving the Integra, do some POV action or something like that you guys want, and, yeah. Made it to the post office. Now let's mail off my boy's order, dog. That was probably the fastest time I've ever been inside of a United States Postal Service place. Literally took like 1 minute. I was questioning myself. Somebody just opened up a P.O. box when I was in there. Should I open one up too? I gotta head to O'Reilly, pick up some carb cleaner so I can clean out these jets and keep this video rolling. So I'll see you at O'Reilly's. Must have been fate. I got the last gum out. Shout out to my man Ryan Turk. Hi Tuck, how's it going on, play?
Life is good.
Tuck got, if you don't know, Tuck messed up his car. Well, it didn't mess up, but
it wasn't my fault, okay?
School him what happened, Tuck.
Alright, so the delay valve on the clutch master, the side, the top of the bolt shattered. So the delay valve opened up and my clutch master went to the floor. So now I got the EM1 clutch master in the car, so it's just a straight cylinder.
So if you didn't know, if you have an FG2 and your clutch delay valve goes bad in your master, just replace it with an SI EM1 clutch master cylinder, and then you should be good.
It pulls right up, man.
See, Tuck is a true employee, bro. Professional parts people, bro.
Professional, man.
I'm proud of you, Tuck. You making big.
Right here. Professional.
That's Tuck, bro. Come visit Tuck. Address down below. What if I get like a meet here or something?
Yo,
we finna host a meeting at a Get Tuck to my we can do it. I ain't doing that shit. Back at the crib-o. Got that gum out, baby. Now, before the homie Brick gets here, I am going to clean out the carb and see if that fixes my no start issue. Hopefully it does. Ryan said it will, and the guy in the comment on yesterday's video said it will, so hopefully it will do what it do. One day I'm just gonna film a vlog in my dog's perspective. I'm gonna attach a GoPro to him and I'm gonna vlog me vlogging. What? So about a minute after, not even a minute, like 30 seconds after I just ended the last clip you just seen, I was like, do I really want to do this? Do I really want to take off the seat, the carb, and all that crap? And I just started turning the bike on and off, and surprisingly, it's not doing what it did. So I don't know. Well, look, I'm gonna try and film it, and let's see what happens. Okay, see, I knew I should. Alright, time to take off this carb. Okay, so I got the carb off, but I do not have an Allen key set. Well, a 3mm Allen key, whatever, the letter 3, no, letter what? So I'm on my way to O'Reilly to pick up a Allen key set because I do not have one and I don't have my wallet. Hold that thought. So I just attempted to try and fix the Ruckus. I cleaned the cars, put everything back together, but now the idle is horrible and there's smoke coming out of the tailpipe. And when I do get the bike to stay on, it dies right away. But I ain't worried too much about it because right now I'm about to go meet up with the homie. Not Randy, because Randy's a man, you big. But right now I'm gonna head up to Barnes & Nobles to meet up with Britt, and then we'll probably get food after or something like that. I have no idea. gonna be mad because I was supposed to meet her like 20 minutes ago, but hey, bro, need I say it?
So rolling, not a stop, watch shit don't never stop.
We at Barnes and Nobles. Hello, Britt, how's it going? You're good, bro? You straight? Nothing been going? Because that's what the fans want. They be like, yo, what Britt at, bro? What Britt at, bro? I remember, I guess, cause I think I showed my girl once, and then they was like, man, stop playing. You know you with Britt. I was like, why would I not show her and then show Britt? Yeah. Like, what sense of this? I don't know. How was Nebraska? Well, did you go to Nebraska? No, it was Nashville. How was Nashville?
I hope you got that on video.
I did. You had KFC up there? I know they got Nashville's hot.
Oh, KFC sucks. I like Popeyes and Church's chicken.
Church's? Church's is ass.
What?
Nah, I never had Church's.
Yeah, you never.
Popeyes don't taste the same though.
What?
They don't. You tried the one on 14 Lucy?
KFC tastes the same?
KFC hella greasy though. Super facts! Basically, I'm the GOAT. We're reading some zodiac stuff about my sign. And what Brittany's saying is that I'm the best sign in the book. Shout out to all my Scorpios from...
No, Scorpios are fucking crazy.
Nuh-uh, they just said we're the most powerful of all of them.
Yeah, the most powerful sign.
Exactly, which means we the GOAT.
Nah, but you
Everybody else is trash.
You guys are crazy. For sure. For sure. So you don't try to buy people with your words?
No, I'm hurt right now, bro. Brittany deadass just said that B-Dubs is not better than Hurricanes. She don't even...
Buffalo Wild Wings are dry as
No,
hell.
they're not.
They're disgusting. That's not a real wing. That's not a real wing at all. You can have your face all looking like that.
Bro, I'm hurt.
Okay,
I'm so
you're saying
hurt.
the place I took you to for wings wasn't better than Buffalo Wild Wings?
But
No, answer that question, because I know you know that.
okay, but it's different.
No, it's
because
not.
it's different
better
sauces. I get, okay, when I go to B-Dubs, I get mango habanero. That's off rip. That's what I get. What do we get at
It's honey garlic.
Okay, honey garlic. Their wings were flames though. But until I taste two of the same sauces, I can't believe it. I can't. I'm hurt, bro.
I'm hurt that you think Buffalo Wild Wings is the greatest.
I didn't say the greatest,
Okay,
but they got fire wings, bro. You gotta
Where?
get.
¿Dónde? Where?
¿Dónde?
¿Dónde?
¿Dónde estás? What? I'm a gentleman. Oh shit! I could have got robbed. Oh wow!
I can't believe that.
Apparently you lose friend points because
Food is very important to me.
oh, but
And
you
when
don't
I
like B-Dubs?
That's a shitty wing, Percy. That's a shitty wing.
Oh.
If I'm choking on the wing because it doesn't have enough sauce on it.
That's because you might get some dry ass.
No,
You might get dry rub.
No, I get honey barbecue.
But do you not get extra wet? You gotta get extra wet on their sauce, on their wings. Cause that shit flames. I get all flats extra wet, and that's how I rock. I cannot believe you don't, oh my God. She likes Hurricanes is ass. Their wings are the most.
It's not ass unless you get the right flavor, just like you were just saying.
No,
That's why you can't drive.
I got the right flavor before, and that shit was trash. Hurricane, oh my God, bro. You and my girl like that shit. She loves Hurricanes.
I would say if you had a backseat to invite her, but
She's working. We're on our way now. Well, we're already here, but we're going to Duffy's since we met in between. Since you think B-Dubs is trash, and I hate Hurricanes, and Thirsty Turtle is far from us. I got the mango habanero, of course.
because you're gonna try to see if it's better than which one?
I don't think it's better than I don't know. That shit looks delicious. Look how wet that looks. And you got honey garlic.
That's what you said.
Super facts. Just got back home from hanging out with Britt, and bro, y'all ever like do a pull, right? And like you see a cop and you immediately stop. Do your head rush with like, I don't know, like I felt like this part of my head right here, like the vein was popping out. So I got a fat headache right now. So if I close out this video trash, then I'm sorry. I guess there was no moral or purpose to this video. My content is really falling off, bro. I'm falling off. I cannot fall off, but I'm falling off. So something new has to come to the channel. Been talking to my boy Ronald. I should be picking up something hopefully soon. If everything plays well, then I'll have some great content for the channel. I know the channel's been going downward lately. I feel like it has. I've been putting my all into it, like daily vlog wise. Like I've been trying to vlog more and get some dope stuff. But yeah, I feel like the content is going down. I'm trying to make content that you guys either get inspired by, you laugh, you're entertained. Overall, when you come to Zosh channel, you click on the Zosh video, you're laughing and have a good time. That's the goal. That's always been the goal for me and my YouTube channel. So I feel like I ain't doing that as much lately due to people hating the ruckus content, and that's like kind of put a burner on me because like I love the ruckus content because like no one else is really making ruckus content, and I want to be that guy. Like when people buy a ruckus, they can watch my videos and I get like a cool audience from it. But it is what it is. But I'm gonna end the video here. I'll do the unboxing of this package right here tomorrow, and yeah, we'll see what tomorrow has in store for us for a video. So thank you guys for watching today's video. If you guys enjoyed it, please smack the like button if you want to. If you didn't like it and dislike it, do what you gotta do, fam. Thank you guys for watching. I'll catch you guys in the next one. I'm out. Peace. Also, let me know if you're down for like a video a week where I just take the car on a cruise, like a Sunday cruise. Like I don't upload on weekends, but like I'll take the car for like a cruise, like POV. I'll just drive through the city or whatever, boosting, smoothing, little pools here and there. Let me know if you guys you're interested in that, okay? All right, I'm out again.